Pick the right auto to fly back to the bonus.
We hope you enjoy the rest of your flight.
Engage the automatic pilot.
Sit back and relax. Otto will pick for you, and you get all the credit.
Yes.
You found the ticket. The first class ticket will later multiply your biggest pick.
You actually got me the ticket. Yes.
Keep an eye on that number 3 engine gauge.
We're in terrible trouble, over.
Sluggish, like a wet sponge.
Everyone on this planet is in a desperate situation.
Oh my god. Let's keep going.
There's nothing to worry about.
Nice.
I'll be back in a minute. Get that finger out of your ear. You don't know where that finger's been.
No.
Pick the right auto to fly back to the bonus. Select a first class seat to multiply your biggest pick.
All three.